Yeah, and we can put that right there. Hey friend, it's me, Tinker, and this is Build the Builder Bot. And today in Tinkerland, we're gonna construct a giant pirate island so we can go on a treasure hunt. We'll have to get creative with our space. It's gonna be a lot of work, but let's get started.
Out past the waves where the sea winds howl lies a place where pirates prowl. Skull Rock stands so tall and grim. Secrets hide deep within. Build, build, build our pirate island, strong and steady by the sea, with treasure maps and tales of daring. A pirate's life for you and me.
Nice.
Under the rocks, there's a hidden bend. Follow the map through the pirate's den. Go through the cave where the riches stay, but beware of traps along the way. Build, build, build our pirate island, strong and steady by the sea. For you and me. Jump from rock to rock and then watch for snakes around every bend. Read the map, complete your quest. Soon you'll find the treasure chest. Build, build, build our pirate island, strong and steady by the sea, with treasure maps and tales of daring. A pirate's life for you and me. Build, build, build our pirate island, strong and steady by the sea, with treasure maps and tales of daring. A pirate's life for you and me. Under the rocks, there's a hidden bend. Follow the map through the pirate's den. Go through the cave where the riches stay, but beware of traps along the way. Build, build, build our pirate island, strong and steady by the sea, with treasure maps and tales of daring. A pirate's life for you and me.
Whoa, our pirate island turned out so awesome. Wow, come on, let's take a look around. We've got our shark-infested pirate lagoon, our jungle with all sorts of vines and big trees. We even have our bridge that we can walk across over the big sharp rocks. And finally, our huge Skull Rock, a big mountain. And inside are all sorts of cool caves. We can crawl around and get lost. I can't believe we made this pirate island all by ourselves. It can be so much fun to create a world of your own. You can make a pirate island at home too. We'll show you how. You can make your own shark lagoon by spreading out blue blankets on the ground. Then place books everywhere and pretend they're shark fins. You can even add a blanket for a plank to walk across. To make your jungle, take some chairs and place them around. Then take things like brooms and mops to create your own trees. Add some construction paper and some paper chains for vines, and place all sorts of green blankets and towels around. You can even add some houseplants to make it look like a cool jungle with trees and vines. That looks great! To make a bridge, you can place some cushions on the ground and cover it with some blankets. Then take things like chairs or tables and place them on the corners. Twist up some sheets and they'll be perfect ropes for the sides. There we go. You can even walk across it. To make a cave at home, you can place 4 chairs and cover them with some blankets on both sides and the top. Then you can crawl inside. And if you want to add a skull rock mountain, you can add some brooms to give it height, and then hang a gray sheet or blanket. Place some pillows around to be rocks, and add a face with construction paper. Whoa, that looks perfect! Just like our big skull rock. Or try putting everything together to make your very own pirate island, so you can have your own adventure at home. Awesome! Give it a try. Well, it's time for us to go now, but we had so much fun creating this with you here in Tinkerland today. We'll see you really soon. Bye-bye, and happy building. Hey, the pirate fun doesn't stop there. You can see how Tinker and Bill built a treasure chest out of a cardboard box over on the Tinker and Friends YouTube channel. And they'll show you how you can make a simple treasure map so you can go on your own treasure hunt at home. Or check out our other videos where we show you how we made a giant pirate ship out of cardboard boxes and a working cannon that shoots fog. It's all part of our Pirate Week celebration here in Tinkerland, where we'll be building all sorts of new pirate projects and show you tips and tricks so you can make pirate projects at home. There's so much to do and make here on Tinker and Friends. See you there.